Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will discuss Docker, a popular containerization platform used in modern software development, DevOps, and MLOps. Introduction. Docker is an OS level virtualization platform, also known as containerization. Unlike traditional virtualization, Docker containers share the host operating system kernel instead of running a full guest OS. Because of this, Docker containers are lightweight, fast, portable, isolated from one another. Docker is written in the Go programming language and support Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Docker engine runs natively on Linux. Docker solves the famous work on my machine problem by ensuring applications run the same across all environment. Docker versus traditional virtualization. Traditional tools like VMware use hardware level virtualization where each application runs inside a virtual machine with its own operating system. Docker, on the other hand, works at the OS level, allowing multiple containers to share the same kernel. This makes Docker much more efficient and faster than virtual machine. Before Docker, deploying applications across environment was difficult. Problem includes dependency, configuration issues, OS difference. These often lead to the common issue. The application works here but not there. After Docker solution. Docker solves these problems by standardizing the runtime environment. Key benefits include portability, runs on local machine, cloud and on-premise servers. Consistency, same behavior in development, testing and production. Lightweight, no full operating system required for each application. Scalability, ideal for microservices and orchestration tools like Kubernetes. Efficiency, container starts in second and use fewer resources. Components of Dockers. Docker consists of several key components. Docker engine, the core service that creates and manages containers using the Docker daemon. Docker image, a read-only template containing application code and dependencies. Docker Hub, a cloud-based repository for finding and sharing Docker images. Docker file, a file that defines the steps to build a Docker image. Docker registry, a storage system for Docker images, either public or private. Next point is Dockerfile. A Dockerfile is a text file that contains a set of instructions written in a domain specific language. These instructions tell Docker how to build an image step by step. The Docker daemon executes the instructions from top to bottom. The Docker file is considered the source code of the Docker image. Using a Docker file, we can quickly and consistently create Docker images. To conclude, Docker is a powerful containerization platform that simplifies application development. It improves portability, consistency, and efficiency, making it a key technology in DevOps, CI/CD pipelines, and MLOps workflows. Thank you.